What's up, fellow cremains? Here's how you can get the fishball soup recipe in Crimson Desert. If you're planning to add more healing items, especially in the early game, then try not to miss this. The fishbowl soup heals you for 400 health, and up to 760 health if you add more of the required ingredients. It's also got a level 4 ice resistance for a full minute on all of its tiers. You'll find this inside the town of Hernan, by the constabulary where captured bounties or criminals get imprisoned. You'll know you're there when you find lots of guards in some wooden makeshift prison cells. Just walk up to the front yard and you'll find this table with books. On the smaller table is the recipe. Simply take it, the guards won't mind. Read it to learn the recipe and go to a nearby cooking pot to check your newly unlocked restoration item available for cooking. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.